Baguio City Mayor Benjamin Magalong is a no-show in the Senate Blue Ribbon panel's probe into anomalous flood control projects in the country. Based on the letter he sent to the Senate, Magalong says he prefers to testify before the House of Representatives first. He says he rejected the invitation in order not to preclude any actions that should be taken against all persons who are answerable. However, Committee Chair Senator Dante Marcoleta admits not knowing how to process Magalong's reason. He points out that the House may not have even invited him yet, but Senator Jingo Estrada believes Magalong's letter was valid enough to be excused from the hearing.
In his letter, what did he say? He was about to be
He is
invited?
anticipating.
He is anticipating. So
Yes,
there is
Your
none yet.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, I think the letter of Mayor Magalong is valid enough for him to be excused in today's hearing. Let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Maybe the leadership of the House of Representatives just might just invite him in the near future.
For his part, Senator J.V. Ejercito cites a recent interview by Magalong. According to Ejercito, Magalong had said that he intends to bring the battle to the battleground, which is why he wants to go to the lower chamber first. Marcoleta questions this, saying Magalong is not the one to judge whether the action is in the House or in the Senate. When Senator Erwin Tulfo reiterated how the House may not even invite Magalong in the first place, Marcoleta responds that they could not judge the intent of the House.
We cannot judge what the House of Representatives will do. Pero yung pong imbitasyon natin, malinaw na sana'y magpahayag sa rito. Total, tayo naman nag-imbita na. Ngunit kung inihintay niya na imbitahan siya ng House of Representatives at sinasabi naman pala ng House, hindi siya iimbitahin, o de bahala na lang sila kung anong gusto nilang mangyari. Pero as far as we are concerned, we are serious in inviting him to help us shed on some issues that this committee is trying to deliberate on.
Magalong alleged that at least 67 House members were involved in tapping contractors as supposed fronts to bad infrastructure projects from the government.